Quasi's grandfather. A lemon shark. It can bite you. Peso.
Who's this?
Shelly. A big skeleton.
A big Chuggington, yeah. Does it move?
Yeah.
Does it move? Yeah, look. He moves. A big Chuggington. Okay, the next one. Open the next one.
This one's too big.
It's okay.
No, he can be next to you.
Yeah. Open the next one. What's this?
This one's not full yet.
Okay, open the next one then.
Quasi.
Who's this?
Peso.
It's Peso with a different hat. Is it different, this Peso? Is it different to the other one?
No, this one's different.
Okay. Hooray. Yes. Wow, what's this?
Big peso.
It's a big Peso again.
We got
3 pesos now.
a sea snail.
A sea snail. Yeah. Wow, who's
Captain
this?
Barnacle.
Captain Barnacle. Hooray. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Wow, who's this? Look at
A
it.
big quasi.
Quasi. Captain. And he moves like Chuggington.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Do you like it? That's a big, nice Quasi.
He's bigger than him.
Next one. One big Quasi and one big Chuggington.
Sister.
Hey, a sea star. Hooray. Next one. Who's this?
Quasi.
Quasi. Is that Quasi?
Yeah.
He's in a suit, isn't he? Very nice. Whoa, what
This is a cone. A cone.
Ooh.
It can fit in there.
Yes.
Because it's so big.
Open the next one. Another
Peso.
Peso.
He's so little.
Yay.
So little in the other
He's
one.
little, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Open the pink one. And another big
Peso. Quasi.
That's Quasi. Yay.
A puffish.
Whoa. That's really nice.
He can strike you.
Show it to me. Yeah, nice.
He can squeak.
Can speak.
He can breathe air.
One more egg. Open one more egg. Surprise egg, and that's another
Peso.
peso. A small peso. Who's this?
Twig.
Twig. Twig, a big
Shake. The vegetables.
Yay.
I don't want that other name. Pig.
Octopus.
Nice.
Spotty octopus. And now look what we have. Another Quasi. It's okay. Open it.
This is getting ridiculous.
Another Quasi.
They were the same size. They were the same size.
Okay, open the next one now.
A spookfish.
Yo.
Woo.
Very nice.
He's a boo. She's Boo. His name is Boo.
You know the name, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the next one? that pinky one.
Yeah.
And it is
Dashi!
Dashi. We had no Dashi open so far.
Yeah.
And now we do. Next
Twig.
one. Twig. Another twig. It's a small twig.
A leather. Hey, what is the other one? This one got stabbed.
What's the next one?
The Dashi!
Dashi.
Catch the barnacles! The same size.
Oh.
I'm gonna be next time. They're my best friends together. Hey, anglefish.
Yay.
Anglefish.
On top of peso. The big giant peso. The big giant peso egg. The fish is coming down. What's the next one? Oh no. Who's this?
A dolphin.
A dolphin.
Here's a babe.
Who's this? Dashi. And one more.
Toy.
Who's this? Who's this?
His father.
Whose father?
Quasi.
Quasi's father.
Look at me best friends together. There's another cat of barnacles. He's gonna be here. The big giant. The peso.
Peso. Yeah. Are you gonna take off the eyes?
Yeah.
And the beak?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. What happened to him?
I'm gonna put him back.
And now his face. Oh, he's taking his face off. Oh no. And then his head. Yeah, you made him back again. That's his face and that's his head. Well done. Listen, you've actually done it. Hooray!
Peso's back!
Peso's face is back.
Who's back?
Peso!
Peso!
Then his giant beak.
Ooh! Bring it back, bring it.
Pepsi. I got the gubby. 18. A rescue line.
Took all of them out.
Whales. Big giant clown. He's biting me.
Oh no.
Thanks for watching. And to leave the stars. Bye. I'm gonna play with my quasies. Bye bye.